Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Honda CRV door lock. Start by unlocking the door and removing the interior panel carefully to expose the actuator and linkage. Inspect the actuator, rods, and clips for obvious damage or disconnection, and test the switch motion. Use a multimeter to check for power at the actuator while operating the switch to isolate electrical faults from mechanical ones. When the issue is mechanical, start by manually operating the lock to feel resistance and binding. Remove the door handle and access the linkage rods, replacing any bent rods or cracked plastic clips that prevent movement. Reconnect rods securely and apply silicone lubricant to pivot points to smooth operation. Test the lock with the key, interior switch, and manual lever to confirm the repair before reassembling the door panel. For electrical problems, begin by checking the fuse box for any blown fuses tied to the door locks and replace as needed. Next, use a multimeter to test for 12V at the actuator while pressing the lock switch to verify power is reaching the unit. If power is present but the actuator does not move, swap it with a working actuator or replace it to restore lock function, then test all door functions again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.